Highest mountain in Asia, Mount Everest. Greetings, adventurers! Today, let's embark on an extraordinary journey to explore the towering majesty of Mount Everest, the highest peak on our planet. Rising to an awe-inspiring 8,848 meters, or 29,029 feet, above sea level, Everest stands as a symbol of human endurance and the relentless pursuit of the extraordinary. If you're as captivated by extreme heights and stunning landscapes as I am, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Now, let's dive into the awe-inspiring world of Mount Everest. Mount Everest, situated in the heart of the Himalayas, straddles the border between Nepal and Tibet, presenting a geological marvel shaped by the dynamic collision of the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates. The very essence of Everest's grandeur lies in its summit, standing at a staggering 8,848 meters, or 29,029 feet, above sea level. This geological masterpiece is primarily composed of marine limestone, contributing to its unparalleled and majestic appearance. This unique geological composition not only captures the fascination of geologists eager to unravel Earth's intricate processes, but also adds to the allure of Everest for mountaineers seeking to conquer its towering heights. The collision of these tectonic giants and the resulting geological features make Mount Everest a captivating subject that marries the realms of science and adventure, embodying the awe-inspiring forces that have shaped our planet. Geological features of Mount Everest. Embarking on a journey to uncover the geological marvels that define Mount Everest, we delve into a landscape intricately molded by the formidable forces of nature. The genesis of this awe-inspiring peak traces back to the collision of tectonic plates, a titanic event that gave birth to the Himalayan mountain range. The summit of Everest, reaching an astonishing 8,848 meters, emerges as a testament to the Earth's dynamic processes. What sets this majestic peak apart is its composition, primarily crafted from marine limestone. As we meticulously explore the intricate details of Everest's geological makeup, we find ourselves gaining a profound appreciation for the relentless natural forces that have sculpted and shaped this iconic mountain. It's a journey that unravels the story of Earth's evolution, inviting us to marvel at the intricate dance of geological forces that has bestowed Everest with its indomitable presence. The challenges of climbing Mount Everest. Embarking on the formidable ascent of Everest represents a monumental challenge, pushing climbers to the very limits of physical and mental endurance. This daunting endeavor exposes them to harsh and unpredictable weather conditions, where sub-zero temperatures and hurricane-force winds become relentless adversaries. Navigating through these extremes requires meticulous planning and strategic use of advanced climbing gear, as the low oxygen levels at higher altitudes intensify the difficulty of the climb. In this section, we delve into the intricate details of the physical and mental demands imposed on climbers, shedding light on the resilience and unwavering determination essential for a successful Everest ascent. From the strategic planning of each step to the psychological fortitude required to confront the unknown, scaling Everest epitomizes a true test of human strength, both physical and mental. The Sherpas, unsung heroes of Everest. As we delve deeper into our exploration of Mount Everest, it becomes imperative to recognize and celebrate the indispensable contributions of the Sherpas, the often unsung heroes of the Everest expeditions. These highly skilled mountaineers emerge as pivotal figures, playing a multifaceted role in supporting climbers throughout their arduous journey. Sherpas are not merely guides but navigators of treacherous paths, ensuring the safety of the ascent and contributing immensely to the success of expeditions. Their profound connection to the region, passed down through generations, adds a cultural richness to the Everest experience that goes beyond their technical expertise. The unwavering commitment of Sherpas makes them not just partners, but the backbone of the quest to conquer Everest, embodying a spirit of collaboration and resilience that is integral to the very essence of climbing the world's highest peak, the summit experience. Reaching the summit of Mount Everest is a surreal experience. Standing at the highest point on Earth, the air is thin and the panoramic view is both humbling and awe-inspiring. In this section, we'll capture the essence of the summit experience, exploring the emotions and challenges climbers encounter as they achieve this remarkable feat. History of Everest exploration. Everest's rich history of exploration is a captivating tale of human endeavor. From the pioneering expedition led by Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay Sherpa in 1953, to the modern-day adventurers who continue to make their mark, Everest's history is a tapestry of triumphs and challenges. Join us as we delve into the historical milestones that define Everest's legacy. Everest's impact on tourism. The magnetic allure of Mount Everest has transcended borders, drawing adventurers and thrill-seekers from across the globe and resulting in a notable surge in tourism. This influx, while bringing forth exciting opportunities for exploration and economic growth, also ushers in a set of challenges that warrant careful consideration. In this section, we embark on an exploration of the intricate impact of tourism on the local environment and the communities nestled around Everest's base. We delve into the delicate balance that must be struck between the thrill of exploration and the imperative to preserve the pristine beauty of this majestic region. As the world converges on Everest, we scrutinize the ecological and cultural implications, navigating the fine line between satisfying the thirst for adventure and safeguarding the integrity of this awe-inspiring natural wonder. Biodiversity in the Everest region. Venturing beyond the realm of climbing challenges and triumphs, the Everest region unveils itself as a sanctuary for unique wildlife and ecosystems, showcasing the remarkable resilience of nature amidst extreme conditions. Here, elusive snow leopards gracefully navigate the rugged mountainous terrain, their presence a testament to the adaptability of life in this harsh yet enchanting environment. The landscape is further adorned by the vibrant plumage of Himalayan pheasants, adding a burst of color to the breathtaking panorama. In this section, we invite you to join us on an exploration of the Everest region's biodiversity, unraveling the ecological wonders that coexist harmoniously with the towering peaks. From the intricate adaptations of flora and fauna to the delicate balance that sustains life at high altitudes, this is a journey into the heart of an ecosystem where nature's tenacity shines brightly against the backdrop of Everest's majestic grandeur. And there you have it, the legendary Mount Everest, a symbol of human determination, natural beauty, and the unyielding spirit of exploration. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to give it a thumb up, share it with your fellow adventurers, and subscribe for more epic explorations around the world. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.